So the counter movement, it is obvious. So Gandhiji, he announced on 6th April 1919 Satyagraha movement or Satyagraha to protest against Rowlatt Act. Nationwide movement started. All the categories in the society, they took part in the movement. The peasants, the workers, the railway workers, they were on strike. Series of meetings, procession, those were going on. Demonstration, that was also going on against British. Then British, they became more strict, or you can say more harsh. So what they were doing, they started arresting all the leaders and sent them behind the bar. They were arresting the leaders of the movement, all those movements or those movements. Those leaders were sent behind the bar because they become furious. So guys, this much for today, and I'm going to give you questions. You will answer those questions on the basis of today's lecture.